Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead with 2 keyboards on a single computer. While many games offer local cooperative play, PC setups typically restrict input to one keyboard or require game controllers. We will explore how to overcome this limitation, allowing 2 players to enjoy the game using their own dedicated keyboards for a unique co-op experience. To achieve dual keyboard play, we'll use a powerful, free, and open-source application called Nucleus Co-op. This Windows-based tool is specifically designed to add split-screen functionality to hundreds of PC games that may not natively support it. Crucially, Nucleus Co-op features robust support for multiple keyboards and mice, allowing each player to have their own independent input device. Once you have Nucleus Co-op installed, the setup process is straightforward. First, launch the application and locate Cuphead within its extensive list of supported games. Next, you will assign each of your physical keyboards to a distinct player slot within the Nucleus Co-op interface. This step ensures that the game recognizes each keyboard as a separate input device for individual player control. With your keyboards assigned, simply launch Cuphead directly through the Nucleus Co-op application. The software will then manage the game instances and input, allowing each player to control their character using their dedicated keyboard. Remember to verify that both keyboards are correctly plugged in and detected by your Windows operating system before starting your 2-player adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.